Hello, my name is Nerida Hyatt. I'm a lecturer in occupational therapy at La Trobe University. I'd like to share our newly published research with you. The research was published in the Journal of Studies in International Education, and the title of our paper is Trialling Virtual Intercultural Learning with Australian and Hong Kong Allied Health Students to Improve Cultural Competency. So in this research, we developed a fully online cultural learning activity for occupational therapy and oral health students at both Thanwha College in Hong Kong and La Trobe University in Australia. So we evaluated student cultural competency learning using quantitative and qualitative methods, so it was a mixed method study. So we used a pre and post survey for the quantitative measure, and we also completed qualitative interviews after the students completed the activity. So our qualitative findings were that students practiced a range of important intercultural skills, including learning more about the importance of demonstrating empathy, curiosity, and also cultural respect. Students reported improved awareness and appreciation for diversity abroad, but also diversity at home, which was a really important finding. The students also had increased interest in study abroad, including clinical placements or work after they finished their course. Our quantitative findings demonstrated that students had a significant change in their perception of global justice and disparities in both the Australian and the Hong Kong cohorts. So this cultural factor included questions like, I think people around the world get what they're entitled to have. So the significant decrease demonstrated greater uncertainty about their perception of this factor, which we thought was a really positive change. The key findings from our study really provide evidence for use of this kind of online learning activity and using an internationalisation at home approach as a standalone learning activity that can be used for students to learn more about culture and to learn intercultural skills. Or you could also use this learning activity in preparation for students before they attended study abroad or some kind of overseas learning activity. We think there's evidence for both of those types of approaches. Hopefully you'll read our study and find out more details about the research. And we also have two supplementary files. One has the survey that we used, and the other supplementary file also has a more detailed description of the actual learning activity. Thanks for listening.